So there's one outcome, and this is where it starts to get contentious. The only outcome is to increase productivity. And so we enter the exponential age. So firstly, the exponential age thesis is that we are at this nexus of technology of which mankind has never gone through, and it'll happen in the shortest period of time of any technological change ever. And it's all happening in a way that we will not be able to get our heads around. And crypto was the start of that. All these trends have been in place, but they're now about to hit adoption phase. So crypto is one of them. We're only at 300 million people. The next time we poke our heads above the water in 3 years' time, we'll be at 1 billion people, and then 4 billion people, whatever the numbers work out to be.
In the last decade, we have seen a rapid increase in the use of cryptocurrency and AI technologies. Both have disrupted the traditional ways of doing things and are changing the world as we know it. Cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence, AI, are two technologies that have the potential to impact the world in the coming years significantly. The combination of these technologies could bring about a new era of innovation, efficiency, and security. In this video, Raoul discusses how crypto and AI will change the world in the coming years. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. It operates independently of a central bank and can be transferred instantly across borders without the need for intermediaries. AI, on the other hand, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. The combination of AI and cryptocurrency will change the world in the coming years. It will revolutionize the financial industry, enhance security, and improve healthcare, supply chain management, and education. As these technologies continue to evolve and become more widely adopted, we can expect to see even more benefits in the future. Before we listen to Raoul on his insight into how the world is changing before our very eyes, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Thanks for watching our videos.
AI has been coming for ages. And then it's like a nuclear bomb hits in one go, because it was so much faster in its adoption than anything humanity's ever faced. We've just brought knowledge, and we'll go into AI later, but we've just brought knowledge, infinite knowledge, scalable knowledge into the global economic system. And it happened in a 3-week period when GPT-4 came out. It went from 0 to 100 million users in 5 weeks. I mean, oh my God. And we're all scrambling. And then we've had more developments there. But that's not just the exponential age. The next thing is, well, in 3 years' time, we're going to be having this conversation. It'll be like how all the Uber drivers and all the bus drivers and everybody's been laid off because of self-driving cars. That bomb is going to happen. We're at that cognitive dissonance now of like, well, it's not going to happen. They're never going to solve this. And then immediately it gets solved. Do you remember the arguments 2 years ago? Well, machine learning is hardly AI. Next minute AI comes along and we're like, fuck, is this generative? Is this AGI? We don't even know anymore, right? And that's going to happen with self-driving cars. Robotics. It's another trend. I mean, just look at that Optimus robot, and he's not the only one. Tesla are not the only people doing this. But he happens to own the fastest supercomputer in the world, Dojo, the Optimus robot, the self-driving cars with all the visualization technology, the mapping of everything. And in addition, he now owns Twitter, which I argued a while ago was just to get the AI. And why he wants an unbiased Twitter is to get as much AI as possible. So we've got robots coming. We've also got genetic sciences. When you add AI into biotechnology, you create outcomes much faster. So we'll see huge breakthroughs in medicines. You would say that RNA vaccine technology is a huge breakthrough in technology. And we've got more than that, distributed computing power, space. Elon's just launched the largest rocket ever launched into space. Yeah, it was a successful launch, but failed to decouple its engine or whatever, and then blew up afterwards. But generally speaking, what he's doing in space and many, many others is another whole quantum leap that most people haven't got their heads around yet. I mean, the fact that we've got Wi-Fi all around the world now coming from satellites is kind of ludicrous, but it's happening. And that changes the whole equation. Data, 6G, 5G, all of this all Internet of Things, wearable technology, it's all happening. This nexus of technology is a game changer for humanity. It is the fourth turning moment. This next 6 months, crypto very strong. I don't think it's a replay of 2019, which was a longer pullback while global central bank balance sheets shrank for a period of time. I think knowing what's going on in the world and where it's going, we will probably accelerate. So I think it looks more like 2016-15 cycle, which was a big spurt up, which I think we're still in the middle of, then a long sideways correction for 5 months or whatever, and then another explosion higher as you really start to see the central banks kick in. So I think, I'm very, very positive crypto, but more importantly, a lot of money went in VC into the space, and there was a lot of people building product.
Raoul also discussed the next phase of crypto adoption. Personally, I think the next phase of crypto adoption is likely to be driven by mainstream integration and mass adoption. Over the past few years, we've seen cryptocurrencies become more widely accepted and adopted, particularly in the financial industry. However, there's still a long way to go before they are widely used in everyday transactions. One potential driver of adoption is the growing interest in decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms, which allow individuals to participate in financial transactions without intermediaries such as banks. DeFi has been growing rapidly, with more and more people using these platforms to earn interest on their assets, trade cryptocurrencies, and borrow and lend money. As DeFi continues to grow and become more user-friendly, it's likely that more people will become interested in using cryptocurrencies. Let's just listen to what Raoul has to say.
So the next phase of what adoption looks like will come. And I don't know what it is. Could come from anywhere. Could come from gaming. Could come from digital ID. Could come from brands in the NFT and Web3 space. Could come from DeFi. I don't know. But it's coming. So I think that's very interesting. So I'm very bullish on crypto overall. I also think that, I also run an asset management business called Exponential Age Asset Management. I'm just using that exponential age everywhere.
Brand it.
And that is a fund of hedge funds to invest in digital asset hedge funds. What's fascinating is the global hedge fund industry in TradFi is $3 trillion. That's all pension fund money and sovereign wealth fund money and high net worth and RIAs. The digital asset hedge fund, so that all crypto hedge funds added together are about 5 billion. It's like 1% of the size. So I think we're going to see a lot of capital flowing into the space, proper capital, not just retail capital, but sticky, long-term mega capital flows into the space, which is needed. The secondary markets are not liquid, which is why they're so volatile. So I think that's going to be very interesting as well. So crypto, bullish. AI, I'm going to err on the side of MAD, which is it's unforecastable. It's unforecastable where it'll be in 6 months' time. What I do know is every single person we speak to will be scrambling to try and figure out how to use it. And we don't know how we use it. And I remember very well the 97, 8, 9, 2000 phase in the internet. There was just like millions of businesses launching, of which 99% of them were nothing, because everyone's building on top of ChatGPT-4, and 99% will fail. People are going to have to figure out what is the killer model here. Is it the data set? Is it the UX? Is it the model itself? We don't know. So I think it's just going to be kind of hair on fire shocking in its growth. And then with that is the next phase of the exponential age as well. What is the next technology to ignite? And then we've got to deal with crypto, AI, metaverse, or whatever, the virtual reality. And then, oh my God, then we need to deal with genetic sciences. And then we've got to deal with self-driving cars. We'll have all these balls in the air and we're trying to figure it all out. It's going to be hilarious, because we have no idea.
Crypto and AI are two of the most disruptive technologies of the modern era, and their impact on the world is just beginning to be felt. Together, these two technologies are poised to radically transform many aspects of our lives in the coming years. One area where crypto and AI are likely to have a significant impact is in the financial sector. Crypto has already disrupted traditional financial systems by enabling decentralized and secure transactions without the need for intermediaries. With the development of more sophisticated AI-powered financial tools, it's likely that crypto will become even more accessible and user-friendly, with AI algorithms able to make predictions and recommendations based on large amounts of data. In addition to finance, AI and crypto are also expected to have a transformative effect on other industries such as healthcare, energy, and transportation. AI is already being used in the healthcare industry to develop personalized treatments and analyze patient data, while crypto is being used to create secure medical records and streamline payments. As these technologies continue to advance, it's likely that they will become even more integrated, with AI algorithms being used to analyze and make predictions based on crypto data. Another area where crypto and AI are likely to make a significant impact is in the job market. As AI becomes more advanced, it's likely that many jobs will be automated, leading to a major shift in the types of jobs that are available. However, crypto may provide a solution to this problem, enabling people to earn money through decentralized networks and new business models. For example, crypto may enable people to earn money by sharing their data or by participating in decentralized networks that reward users for contributing to the network. Overall, the combination of AI and crypto has the potential to radically transform many aspects of our lives in the coming years. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, such as regulatory issues and the need for more user-friendly interfaces, the potential benefits of these technologies are enormous. As more and more people become aware of the possibilities of crypto and AI, it's likely that we will see a rapid increase in their adoption, leading to a new era of technological disruption and economic growth. Thanks for watching. Till our next video, please stay savvy.